Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Chris and this is the KIKICONIC channel. I want to welcome each one of you again to my channel, and for today's video what I'm going to share and show you guys is I'm going to transform myself to another transformation makeup. By the way guys, if you're new to my channel, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. Anyway, so if you want to know how I come up with this look, all you have to do is just stick around and watch the entire video. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go on with the transformation. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet. And I
welcome back. So this is the final look. It's very disco diva, what I call this transformation look. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you love this transformation look what I did for you guys. All you have to do now is just comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. And I want to say thank you again for sticking around and watch my video. And I want to say goodbye and have a great day to everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!